I'm going to talk about the rhythmic voice, and the rhythmic voice is really key because we've all got a natural rhythm, and the natural rhythm of ourselves comes from our heartbeat. Now, recently, when I was doing the Wise Why, and I had Brad Smith as a guest, so go and look at that episode. Brad had lots of issues, and we had to go live. And when we went live, there was no video from Brad, but we had his voice. He'd had a punch in the morning, and he had to go and take his child to school. This happens to all of us. So in this situation, I had to do an infill. So I had to fill the space, and I decided to share 2 top tips. And why not? Because it's what I do. So this one, I suddenly realized I hadn't done a video on, and this video is really simple. So your natural rhythm goes do-dum, 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 do-dum. Shakespeare wrote in the iambic pentameter, and there was a reason for that. It follows a natural rhythm. The first thing we hear when we're in the womb is the heartbeat. We hear the breath. So if we combine the heartbeat with our breathing, what do you think happens? So when you're public speaking or you're on camera and you're right up there with nerves and your voice is all out of sync, grab your wrist and feel your heartbeat. If you can't feel your heartbeat on your wrist, put your hand here. The audience will not notice. Feel that rhythm. Breathe into it and reset. Another top tip coming soon.